Welcome to the Stronger as One tutorial on how to set up a new blended course. On the login page of the MHFA instructor portal, enter your email address and password. For your convenience, you can click on the Remember Me checkbox. Only use this option on your own personal device and not on public devices. Click on the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password button to reset your password. After you have entered your login information, you should now be at the home page of the MHFA instructor portal. To set up a new course, hold your mouse over the Instructor Hub tab. A drop-down menu should appear. Click on the Manage Courses option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Manage Courses, Upcoming Courses page where you can set up a new course. Click on the orange Add a Course button to the right. This will take you to the Add Course form. Notice the boxes labeled with a red asterisk beside them. They will need to be completed to successfully set up this course. Let's start at the Instructor 1 text box. Your name should appear by default in the Instructor 1 text box. We can then move down to Funding Source. Click on the gray tab to the right of the box. A drop-down menu should appear. We're going to choose Nonprofit or Foundation because Stronger as One is a grant-funded coalition. Moving on to course type, choose either Adult, Youth, Spanish Adult, Spanish Youth, or Teen. For this example, we will choose Adult. In the Cost per Participant text box, type in 0 because grant funding allows Stronger as One to offer these courses to the public free of charge. In the Audience drop-down box, click on the gray tab to the right and choose your audience. For this example, we will choose Business Corporate. In the Maximum Number of Participants box, please type in the maximum number of people who can join this course. For this example, we will type in 15. Near the bottom of the first column, you will see two checkboxes labeled Virtual Course and Blended Course. If you are conducting an 8-hour in-person course, you will not choose either checkbox. Please refer to our separate tutorial on how to set up an in-person course. If your students must complete 2 hours of self-study prior to the start of your 6-hour in-person course, click in the Blended Course checkbox. If you are conducting a virtual Zoom course, please refer to our separate tutorial on how to set up a virtual course. Notice that once you click on the Blended Course checkbox, the Save Course button is deactivated and a message appears under the Instructor 1 text box saying that Instructor 1 cannot be changed after this course is created. Scroll down to the bottom of the first column to see a list of acknowledgments required to teach this course. Once you click that you agree to this list, the Save Course button will be reactivated. Below the course types, you will see a message asking if you'd like your course to be searchable on the MHFA website. Regardless of the type of course you're setting up, make sure that this checkbox is always unchecked. Moving to the next column, please type in the venue name and physical address of where your course will take place. For this example, we will type in the physical address for Stronger as 1, the street address, city, state, and zip code. Moving to the final column, we will type in the registration information. For this example, we'll simply type in online registration. To finish up, you simply add your contact information. For this example, we will enter the Stronger as 1 email address and telephone number. Finally, choose your preferred method of communication. For this example, we will choose No Preference. After you've double-checked to make sure your form is accurate and complete, click on the orange Save Course button at the bottom of the third column. Remember that once you've set up your course and added your participants, you'll need to contact your class coordinator for seat assignments. Congratulations! You've just completed the Stronger as 1 tutorial on how to set up a new blended course.